Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete ClickUp account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Unlike creating ClickUp account, deleting your account isn't straightforward process. You can do it directly with ClickUp interface. Here's how you can delete your ClickUp account. Contact to ClickUp support or just go to your inbox and compose a mail to help@clickup.com. Here in subject, clearly state your request in the subject line such as request to delete ClickUp account. Then in subject line, clearly state in body of email, mention your full name and email address associated with your ClickUp account. Clearly state your request to delete your ClickUp account. You can optionally mention a reason for deleting your account. If you are the owner of ClickUp account, the deletion process should be relatively straightforward. But if you are a member of the workspace but not the owner, you'll need to mention this in your email. ClickUp may ask the workspace owner to confirm your account deletion. This is how you can delete your ClickUp account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.